Welcoming a new life into the world is a momentous occasion. Preparing for a hospital birth can make the experience smoother and more comfortable. Let's explore the key steps to get ready for this big day. A birth plan is a roadmap for your delivery day. It outlines your preferences for pain management, birthing positions, and who you want present. Discuss your plan with your healthcare provider to ensure everyone is on the same page. Packing your hospital bag is essential. Include comfortable clothing, toiletries, a going-home outfit for your baby, and any personal items that will make your stay more pleasant. Don't forget important documents like your ID and insurance information. Completing pre-admission paperwork ahead of time can save precious moments. Many hospitals offer online forms or pre-birth registration. This step ensures the hospital has all the necessary information before you arrive in labor. Understanding what to expect during labor and delivery can ease anxiety. Hospitals typically offer tours and childbirth classes. Familiarize yourself with the stages of labor, pain relief options, and the hospital's policies on visitors and photography. After delivery, the hospital will provide postpartum care for you and your baby. Learn about the support available, such as lactation consultants and newborn screenings. Before discharge, confirm the follow-up appointments and any necessary prescriptions.